G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're looking at the Simply Carbon Fiber case for the Galaxy Note 9. This is the forged version and it's also a giveaway video. So if you want to know how to win this carbon fiber case for your Galaxy Note 9, watch the rest of the video. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here we go. The Simply Carbon Fiber case for the Galaxy Note 9, and this is the forged variant of the case. So this is the first time I've actually looked at a Simply Carbon Fiber case, and if I don't mind saying so, I'm actually quite pleased with the packaging. It's different from the normal white box with a bit of plastic shoved inside it. It's actually a little pouch with a couple of drawstrings on it, and I like it. So no mucking around with this one, nice and easy to open up. And here we go. So this is for the Galaxy Note 9. So here I have the Note 9, no protection whatsoever on it. And this is the forged by the company Simply Carbon Fiber. Now, as you can see, straight into it, carbon fiber looking case on it with some rubber to protect it and give it that soft protection for a drop. And that carbon fiber really gives it that stylish look. So anyway, I'm going to have a quick look at the pamphlets they include in it. So there's a sticker, so I can troll someone with that. Probably go and stick it on maybe on the wife's car. We'll see how we go with that. Thank you for purchasing a genuine product from Simply Carbon Fiber. Want to be a good friend? Send someone an invite and get 10% off. Look, I'll do better than that. I'm going to give this away. If you're a Note 9 user and you want a carbon fiber case, all you have to do is subscribe. That's right, subscribe and you will win. If you're the lucky winner, you will win this Simply Carbon Fiber case. Now these are going for $90 in Australia. So it's not a cheap case. It is a quality looking case. We'll check out the rest of it shortly, but it is not a cheap case. Check out their website, Simply Carbon Fiber. I'll put links down below. Now, what do I normally look for in a case? To be honest, I look for a nice slim fit that's going to offer some protection. And straight away, I'm feeling that I'm going to be getting that. That's not a thin, very thin back on it. It's got a bit of, it feels like it's got a bit of strength to it, you know, like it's not a weak case. And the rubber is going to offer that protection as well. Bit of branding here, Simply Carbon Fiber, a sticker there for QC Pass. I'll leave that on. The lucky winner of this case can peel that off. And you got some branding here at the bottom. SCF, Simply Carbon Fiber. I'm digging it, I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Now that's pretty minimal. It's got a bit of a lip here and a bit of a lip here. You can see the lip, bit of lip protection, so you can put it down. You're not going to scratch the surface on a flat surface anyway. Now, the fingerprint scanner on the back is easily accessible. It's not a really deep case, so it's not like you've got to really poke your finger into it to unlock it. None of the ports up the top are blocked. The edges aren't blocked. Definitely no problems with the interaction with the touchscreen. As you can see, it slides from screen to screen and my finger isn't impeded by the edge of the case. And if I scroll down or swipe down from the top, it's not impeded by the lip up the top either. So the lip up the top is just big enough to offer that protection, but yet not too big that it actually gets in the way of the functionality. Now there's the power button on the side there, and as you can see, it is quite well recessed. A bit of a rib along the edge here, and then there's the power button, and then more ribbing on the side there. And on the other side, we have ribbing, Bixby button, volume up and down, and ribbing. You got your cutouts here, headphone jack, charging port, speaker, and S Pen, which is nice and easy to click out and in. You can hear that. So no problems there with the ports. They're all in the right place, and they seem to do the job just fine. On the top, you got your microphone, and that's all you need. So everything looks pretty good. Now I always do test this as well. I'm going to put the flash on and I take a quick photo, and then I look at the photo and I look for any black rim around the edge of the photo, like a really dark one, from the flash bouncing off the edge of the case around the camera, and there isn't any. So that's always good to see. So straight away, I'm really feeling that. It's not too slippery. It's got nice grip on the sides. There's some other cases around that offer some nice minimal design and fit, yet they are slippery or too grippy so they get caught on your clothing or your pocket. This actually feels quite good. It's not going to get caught on my clothing, but it's definitely not going to slip out. There's a nice bit of grip on the sides there. Tell me what you think, guys, girls. Hit me up in the comments down below. Any questions about the Simply Carbon Fiber forged case for the Galaxy Note 9? There's many different types of cases on their website, Simply Carbon Fiber. So definitely, like I said, follow the links down below, check it out. I think you'll appreciate the website and their cases, and they have many other things on there as well, like wallets and hats and all sorts of stuff made from carbon fiber. So go and check it out. That's it, guys, girls. I hope you appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you want a chance to win this Simply Carbon Fiber case for the Galaxy Note 9. There'll be another video dropping soon. I think I've got an extra one here for the iPhone XS. That video will be coming shortly. So there we go, folks. What did you think of the Simply Carbon Fiber case from Simply Carbon Fiber? Hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I appreciate you watching this video. Check ya.